Hey everyone, and welcome to the MinDak Gold and Silver Market Report, brought to you in about 5 minutes or less every week because we know you're busy and we don't want to waste your time. So let's get right to today's gold and silver prices. Gold is at $18.62 an ounce. That's right, $18.62. Last week we were talking about whether or not gold could get over $1,800 an ounce and stay there. Well, we did it, folks. We're there, and it looks like we're here to stay, at least for the short term. Silver is at $25.27 an ounce. That is a huge move up from last week, almost $1.50 an ounce. We were talking last week about silver being over $24 an ounce. I think we got there, and hopefully we're here to stay. Let's look at what's happening in the news. Well. Guess what? The latest inflation numbers came in yesterday, and they came in hot, up 6.2% over last year alone. This is the biggest increase we've seen in almost 30 years. We talked about inflation on our first episode over a month ago. The big word, the thing that's on everybody's mind, is inflation. And with good reason. It's getting a lot of mainstream media attention. It's accelerating quickly at levels we haven't seen in like 30 years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. What this means for you is that every cash asset that you own is losing value every day. We said it showed no signs of slowing down, and guess what? We were wrong. It's actually accelerating and getting worse, much worse. This is what happens when we print $10 trillion in a year and a half and flood the already flooded monetary system. In fact, most of the world is flooded with central bank money printing and inflation issues. I guess we can be glad we're not at the Argentina or Venezuela levels yet. Are you feeling the pinch of higher prices yet? You can see that in the last year, prices have risen dramatically, and once again, they show no signs of slowing down. So, where do we go from here? Well, the Fed is in a really bad spot, and they have no one to blame for putting them there other than themselves. They kept interest rates way too low for way too long, and they kept that money printing machine going way too fast for way too long. So the obvious answer is to abolish the Federal Reserve and restore our country to the gold standard. While we're waiting for that to happen, we can sit back and watch the Fed squirm, because they don't have any easy choices in front of them. And once they do make a choice, it's probably going to be wrong. Here's a prediction for you. This inflation party is just getting started. And there's a good chance our old buddy stagflation is going to show up. Stagflation is a slowing or stagnating economy, along with persistent inflation. It's not here yet, but it could be soon. If we continue to have high inflation, it's going to cause problems in the economy, and it's going to slow it down, especially if the Fed tries to raise interest rates, which would be an unmitigated disaster. Gold and silver always have been and will continue to be a fantastic store of wealth and a great hedge against inflation. If you're interested in buying gold or silver, we would love to be your dealer of choice. We have 2 stores to serve you. We have our original store in Fargo, North Dakota, and our new store in the Phoenix, Arizona area, Fountain Hills, Arizona, as a matter of fact. We have both numbers for the stores right down on the screen below there, so give us a call today and we can get you started investing in gold and silver. We also have our website down at the bottom of the screen. We'd love for you to click on that. You can learn a lot more about MinDak right there. Last thing I want to say is be sure to leave a comment in the comments section below. I would love some feedback from you on what you think of these updates and what you would like to see us cover in the future. Leave a suggestion. There's a good chance we'll go over it in a future video. I'm MinDak Jack, and remember, until next time, if you can't hold it, you don't own it.